What you doing, Leroy?
I'm helping my wife decorate for Christmas.
Are you helping? Because I'm not really doing anything.
I know.
I am going
I
to
suck it into this.
I'm going
creative around it.
I'm going to glue whatever he told me to glue on this stuff here.
Did you plug that in?
Yeah, I plugged it in. It's not hot.
Just saying. It should be hot because it was plugged in all that time. So
How do I know if it's hot?
touch it. Touch the tip.
I don't have any hands left. It does smell hot. It does.
It should have been hot already.
So we're decorating the wreath. I have to show you guys the first one.
Decorating the wreath.
But now it's we because you told me to glue the little things on this thing. This is the first wreath that he created. Isn't it gorgeous? It's so colorful and Christmas and big and Sorry, I'm making you dizzy. My bad. I'm going to glue the things on the thing. What are them things called?
I have no idea.
Why I ain't got no gloves? I feel like I'm like the slave that don't have all the tools.
I don't need these gloves. If you need a pair of gloves, there's a pair of gloves in the closet, but you can take these.
That's all right.
I don't need them now.
I just felt like the slave that didn't have all the tools. Ooh, did you see? This is a smiley face.
What?
It's a smile. Oh, maybe it's not. Okay, it looks like a smile. Y'all see the smiley face. It's a smiley face. Merry Christmas. So are you gonna glue the big ones on, or what's the wire for?
Put them on wire, so I attach them with.
So then you put the wire on the wreath?
Yep.
And they're gonna stay, they're not gonna fall off? Alright, smart ass. They don't fall off.
So what we have here are wreaths that we bought last year for like pennies on the dollar after Christmas.
That's how you're supposed to do Christmas. You buy all the decorations after Christmas.
So now I'm stuck decorating the wreaths that we bought.
You're not stuck. You like
January.
Sir, just put the bulb on the damn wreath. Think I'm done helping? I'm just gonna sit here and watch the TV. Would you like some tea?
Alright, so now I added the bigger bulbs. So now I'm adding the smaller bulbs to fill.
Those ones.
These ones, yes, these ones.
The clusters.
The clusters, yes.
Tell the folks how you do it.
Wire.
Wire. Cut the wire.
Kind of like
you need to cut it. Dun, 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 dun. You need to cut it. How we looking, sir?
You tell me, man.
I think we're coming. It's coming. It's coming along. Almost there. 2 down. 1 more to go.
No, 3 more to go.
3 more?
For the windows upstairs?
We don't have no wreaths for the windows upstairs.
When you want to go get some tomorrow?
Okay. All right. Hold it up so we can see it.
I'm just hoping the bulb don't fall off.
Only way to find out. Yay! She looks good. They're so pretty. Leroy did an amazing job. She's cute. She's cute too.